How can I make extra money from home? That's what you're searching for, and I have the answer. Hey, I'm Jamie Williams, and this is the RiddlesBendMedia channel. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, and save this because, hey, this is some good information. You know, if if you're looking to make extra money, it doesn't matter if you're a stay-home dad, stay-home mom, or even a college student who's just trying to make extra money, maybe help pay for some of the expense now that you got to start paying back the money. But listen, affiliate marketing is the best way to make extra money right now. It's the best business online to get into. There's no inventory, there's no customer service, there's no shipping. That's the beauty of it. You're not dealing with people. You're dealing with product. Now, you can get into like Shopify, making t-shirts, getting like, products, then ship them to Amazon, then have them ship them to the customers. But then you're getting into kind of getting into a lot of extra work. But affiliate marketing is probably the best. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's basically most of the big box stores are going to have affiliate program. You apply for them, and if they accept you, they'll give you a unique link. Well, then whatever product that you decide, whether it's on Amazon, Walmart, or any of these other big box stores, you promote it. Then once you promote it and somebody buys it, you'll get a commission check. You'll get a percentage of whatever it costs. Just keep in mind, when you're doing stuff on Amazon, you're trying to sell something for $20 or $30, your commission is not going to be that much. But it's the same amount of effort selling something on Amazon or Walmart or somewhere else versus, say, a cruise where, it may be $4,000, or $5,000 to take a cruise for a family of four. And just think about the commission on that. You know what I'm saying? Or airline tickets. Anything that costs a lot of money, you're going to get more, commission. So the higher the stuff you're selling, the better the commission. So just keep that in mind. It's the same amount of effort that you're going to spend selling something on Amazon that you would be selling something on, say a cruise. So just keep that in mind. But affiliate marketing by far is the best way to go. If you're just a stay-home mom and you're looking to make extra money for Christmas, or maybe pay down some bills, or buy a new car, or just help in general. Same thing if you're a stay-home dad. If you just want to, turn your dream of owning your own business into reality, we can make that happen. So just keep in mind, affiliate marketing is the best business to make extra money right now because you can do it from home. You can do it from the beach. You can do it from anywhere in the world as long as you have, say, a laptop or a tablet or even your phone and some good internet. You can do this kind of stuff. Affiliate marketing is great. It's one of those things where you find your niche or what you're passionate about, and you can start promoting it. That's the beauty of affiliate marketing. You're not dealing with customers, or any of that stuff. That's, all you're trying to do is focus on the product, get it in front of some eyeballs, let them see it. Do they want it? Then they'll buy it. That's the key. And if you want to learn how to do it the right way, hey, just check out the link in the description, and we're going to give you an advisor. We'll reach out to you within 24 hours. Your advisor will contact you, help you start getting stuff started, and you'll get a mentor that's going to, walk you through and help you all along the way. Keep in mind, we have guys and gals who's been doing this for years, who's been doing affiliate marketing, who are already making 6 and 7 figures. Now We want to teach. Now we want to give back and help others who, want to make extra money. And you're probably thinking, oh, it's just, the internet's just got so many people now, you're not going to make any money. Well, look, there's plenty of room for everybody. There's more and more companies being built. More and more companies have affiliate programs, and they need people like us to promote their products. I mean, that's just that simple. They need us to push it so they can make sales. And when they make sales, you make sales, everybody makes money. That's what the goal is, to make extra money or turn it into a full-time job. You may be, looking to try to change careers or just quit your job because it's, the 9-to-5 grind is just sucking the life out of you and you don't want to deal with it anymore. Well, starting your own business, I mean, look at me right here. I got my little home office making money. That's the beauty of it. When I get done, I just go to the living room or go outside, do whatever I need to do because I got the rest of the day to do it. You're going to spend a couple hours a day, whether you do it at night, morning. When I first got started, I got up early, did it before I went to work. That's just the way it is, And if I didn't have time to finish everything, then I would, work on a little bit at night. But it's the work you put in the beginning that's going to help you quit your 9-to-5 job and make the money you're wanting and spend the time with your family and have the ability just to say, hey, okay, let's go tomorrow to the beach or let's go to the mountains and do some hiking. Well, see, when you got a 9-to-5, you can't do that because, you're working, So affiliate marketing, if you're a stay-home mom, stay-home dad, or even a college student, it is the best way to go. Especially, it doesn't take a lot of money to up front to get going, but it does take a little bit of knowledge in order to do it. Because you can probably get on YouTube or you can get on TikTok and they'll tell you can make $200-300 a day or a week or $10,000 a month. You can make a lot of money doing this, but you got to know what you're doing and you got to put the time in the beginning to learn the skills. And a lot of people jump out there and say they can do it on their own. And, because they watch some guru tell them that, hey, you can do it and this is all you have to do. They get started, they get frustrated, a month, couple weeks, they quit. Well, that's no good. We're going to help you with your mindset. We're going to get rid of that you can't do it attitude and fix it where you can do anything you want as long as you put your mind to it. And that's why you need like an advisor or a mentor who's pushing you along the way, because that's what you're looking for. But affiliate marketing, hands down, it's the best way to go right now. Because, especially with everything that's basically, you can buy anything online these days. Well, everybody needs products, so you're just putting something, you're fixing someone else's need by them looking at your website or your email or whatever it is that you're promoting. You're giving them, hey, this is what you need, so, look at it. That's what you're trying to do. Trying to get eyeballs on your product. Don't worry, if you watch stuff and they talk about emails or funnels or how to do ads without being banned on social media, no problem. We're going to show you how to do all that. And, so it's going to be really easy. We make sure you understand. Then once you do understand, you can promote any product you want. Doesn't matter what it is. Doesn't matter. So if you like this video, don't forget to share and like. And I will see you next week. And just remember, only you can make the change in your life. So if you're ready to make next year better than this year, well then just, you know, buckle down, pull your bootstraps up, tighten them up, and let's go. You know, just check out the link in the description and let's get going. We'll get you going. We'll get you right on the right path to where you're having time and financial freedom. But just keep in mind, next week, I'll see you next week for a new video.